In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Trello with Hubspot. To get started, log in to your Hubspot account. From your dashboard, look at the top navigation and click the Marketplace icon, also known as the App Marketplace. Once you're in the Hubspot Marketplace, click into the search bar and type Trello. You'll see the Trello app by Trello appear in the results. Go ahead and click on it. This is an official certified integration, but keep in mind that it requires an active Trello subscription. Next, click Install App. A new window will open. Scroll down and click Log In. You'll now need to authorize the integration by logging in with your Atlassian account, which is used for Trello. After logging in, approve the permissions to allow Hubspot and Trello to connect. Once authorization is complete, your Trello and Hubspot accounts will be successfully integrated. That's it. Trello is now connected to Hubspot, and you can start using both tools together to streamline your workflows. If you haven't signed up for Hubspot yet, be sure to check out the affiliate link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.